Pips, nandito tayo ngayon sa NCCC Mall Tagum para sa relaunch ng ating NCCC Supermarket Tagum. Relaunch, ibig sabihin, a new and better NCCC Supermarket Tagum. Pero alam mo ba na everyday, pwede tayong magkaroon ng relaunch sa ating mga sarili. I would like to call that reset. Reset, ibig sabihin from your everyday experience, kinabukasan pwede mo i-reset at you come out better. So, from your past experience, you can reset yourself and be a better you the next day. So, don't forget, press that reset button and ask not only yourself, but ask God for guidance for a better reset plan. Uncle Romy ko, na doktor pa, nagsasabing, be a blessing to others. Good morning!